Bibia and so added the ye timia manti pay for not trance ma me mama kwaba ni rem na nsem no ye ndidi di on komo kakra ne yesere nema esi etie the sports messiah.
Yes, Abu Dhabi
Na bibia hye ye die
yasaba nyame asama ye nkwan die na esi wo hu ye mobo
yaba
aha obi won ma ontimi ndru 4 pm na 3 pm no kwampo abo sabri nti wanya am ahoden asaba tina ne die yasaba mani bresu ne dia ba wie Ghana football nti ni bresu ne dia ba wie
oh and there was any brave because yes sport and football no series ikono me say e ha adwen kakra bishop
of course
oh kwaku
na bibia hye ye
nyame adom
ready let me didi nkomo na am say ejuma wo zone kakra ozone na ejuma ho
ye
ozo ya ba de bia report e ba ne ade ezi na ewichim ti am say ejuma kakra na ya hwe na ye didi on komana bibia de dadi ti echi abekom na yakona yakakodi nkomo ba mamre na memfa nsem no ba kwa na se meri bingo hansa na ne ye rem na de akibia etimi ato aso kama so no etimi ramantetem so yenko enkoko rama to folk amaso ni a board member Edema Girls Accra to folk opipa your friend doctor nyawo tamakro na nkomodidiem no o chese out to folk team no okwa indiscipline ade ekoso team emboa amane manku ye mamon komo sei and opipa and tuja.
When I have handled Heart of Folk for years, over 50 years, when I see indiscipline, I can smell indiscipline, I know what I'm talking about. I have repeatedly talked to the coach, even at the board meeting, that he is the overall boss of the club. There have been a lot of incidents, breaking of camp, players going to drink and smoke before they come. When they have the match the following day, these are the things saw years ago. I am telling you that is what I'm saying.
Atia no yan command doctor nyawo tama krobo de tudwa otiri okon say Heart to Folk odi echenye ne na this time around ade ha adwen pa na si place na ba na dibu a ebimu de wo fem ozi obi mu kro wa ball no si ekọ na yakọ akoba ade be chiame yakono na jese omo twitwitwi ma bere no wan chechim say shisha o say wi dibio say bia ye wi we ni but osi omo ye sa na ma no na afi no omabobo bia no mboa e ma na ma nkwe na obe yenya ne ntiaze Nema bi akoso ya ma W former coach Edema Diana Stars W Tando asi Heart to Folk ne mu game bi ne ho nsensem ne ade ma tutwe bi kra ba mu na oban zasem no watiti bi na o ti bi a mu nche mu na kasa se ne sitie.
I'm talking about the Saturday before the match on Sunday, around 11:30, close to midnight. I had a call from Mr. Elijah. Now, 250 kilometers outside, I was in bed when I was there. That it appears there's lots of confusion at the camp in the market, and that there have been a fight between W and one of the, and W has threatened to kill that gentleman. So I called Coach Wadu. He couldn't say much about what has happened to me. So I decided to call the PR Paris, and I listened to Paris carefully when he was talking. What he said was true, but he fell short of what I jumping to have the problem solved. So the moment I was in, I narrated the direction, and then I asked that they should get me W. I was told his door was knocked on several times and never opened the door. So I told the coach, as the team manager, I want you to listen to me carefully. I told the coach, as the team manager, to go to the police station and make a complaint. I waited for about 15-20 minutes. After midnight, I didn't hear anything from him and called Oparea to do that. And I asked the parent when they get to the police station, he should call me because a soldier will not threat and pull a gun for nothing. Indeed, I spoke with other people there, and W had a gun. He pulled a gun. Now, say I spoke with people there who saw the gun. Of them, you can ask him for Sulumuntari. I say one of them is Sulumuntari. He saw the gun. In fact, initially he tried to separate them, and I told you initially that no soldier pulls a gun for nothing.
Atia no ya command doctor nyawo tamakro pomode ri je otiri oka na jeze soji ni wuhui ontwini tu no kwa ti emisa ade no na ni nyan de oze na nkofu bebre o ye pekra Ali Sulemuntai ye betimi ebisa na edu bebi no na jeze sule ne de pa oze ni atwe yi na opata de meze ade ba ko atwa na bi epebi afa no ti o cheze eno no yade ko na eno na ye bisa customer for dem atifo kwame opariado so benyi ensema ebobo bani o na yezu tutuo bi tu atwetwe ne adade bi ekoso a na asade ne hu kakra na asem na nkasa no senesitie.
I was an eyewitness. It was a Saturday before the match on Sunday. That is match now between United and the boy, you know. It was a Saturday around 6:30 p.m. I was in my room when on top of their voice, calling out my name. So step out. I'm feeling so maybe I'm more friendly there. Time as soon for dinner and I should come out and let us go and eat. But when I came out, then I realized that I was told that W and logistics officer at the back, but you could write. Maybe more down, more top upstairs. So I climbed up together with one of the team security, IFN Baki. They climbed me up to go and separate that fight and to find out why we have a game on Sunday for that incident to happen.
Atiano ya koma Kwame Opariado pomodi etimiri jeti after folk no na me se season ende no ene a coach ayisi adecha player we yi na we yi yana panesem wa still niame koso ne yade a ende da yi cry me say hadwen kakrati have to folk na ni W Tando per reporter Kwame Opariado kano ni Dr. Nyaonya Otamakro kano na chese adeno anu ediane we are but na ye see be didi nkoma odo na still bi di sem resim no niam to mebe kona ye didi nkoma odo na ne on sere niam na sie ko entu join a obetimi a join Sompa TV obe search on Facebook on status wa like wa share wa comment ni ahwe yetimi akenkan ne kama pe timi da mayaka say shootout ne de ye transisi pa purely on local na ya hwesere beboa na Ghana yen sport yen football no niam abisi akọ mezi ayen rera mu kakra niam ze wi ano ye chance ano pa no na ye didi no ho nkoma na ne yase akwari aba Dr. Nyaonya Otamakro na nsimia ne ebobede ba to fuk 100 da tibini mama chance infio
yes awie me ensa so enchia ye tifu biem enfambra Sompa 93.1 FM live on your Facebook into kwano abo search engine Sompa 93.1 FM o like page na wa share na wa comment ye be kan ni nyina e de amaw house of folk in sense ma e bobo ba ni nyina no ye se afutuo ensakra ni page sen sohwe ye kan sama ka after that particular King Faisal game. Even within the game, some of the conversations that were going on within the game, players are omone across folk players ejina pitch ni so bono ebiki kame yete no na woni say game na wi a bibi betimi afiri mu aba na bibi a sha ase free by despite said there have been precedent players ni bigi to me say coach efene samobodu no koko ben ni kakra enye say bia no koko ne ben no but realistically sometimes he demands a lot more from what these particular crop of players person mo dem across folk under his tenure. There's a certain belief by across folk in penny for be saying Yaku Samobodu and Kwa Energy League no GFA Cup in the ma Accra House of Folk. House of Folk, a traditional club, they believe in a lot of things. They have a way of getting their resource or more aware on betting their savage BB in the long run. Samobodu by in the middle of the season, a bimuji to me is and you may be a moya ya chilebi and a Boma Samobodu etimi J League in the FA Cup no. Iti to de bia aya wo ma ne kasamra from kakra na adwuma na nyon nkwa na ye dey aye iti a starting season when fresh team na opportunity akwakobo Africa waje 6 waje 4 agunu ho waba league na sha ase yi ituri Samobodu di kan be ka asem bi se heard this as a folk team pair fixtures and then nyoma pile up na omoma no up to a certain date or a certain week of the Ghana Premier League results will start changing for Accra House of Folk. Finally, I would say the time no say and they do na House of Folk results and share that massive you see office open no. But the following week as I to also from that no share bono you could see say House of Folk in money peja in kakanga kraba games ni bi one ma House of Folk share at West House of Folk bebo draw and they do because the points gap between House of Folk and Nukumasa Sante Kotoko so take akra e man man for crowd did say if Kotoko should lose some games House of Folk betimi afa ho aba be dey aba beji league no. Then some fixtures started to come. Fixtures ne ba ya na me ka chiro bi say sa fixtures we House of Folk be lose ni nyina to aso. Against the team 11 wonders. Out to you mu games na to aso ho dey ba ni nyina no. Is against King Faisal. Me ka say House of Folk be lose those games.
No dey no.
You see, there's a certain thing that Okroma say. And then you may be a course Okroma say it is very difficult to explain it. But realistically Uhuna abeti asem kro na meka na se. They tell House of Folk lose those games in the twaso. It's on bedroom Kumasi against Kim Faisal. Already now results were bonting reported. Allegedly. Sir House of Folk be winning game by 1-0.
Sir Kim Faisal be winning game.
Kim Faisal be winning game by 1-0. Okay. Yes. Ewo Baba Sports Stadium. Getting to the latter minutes of the game. Ana mi hu say awaku akuku Samobodu. Okuku Samobodu ho no. Manti asem o kache Samobodu ba ikusi se Samobodu ko kwa pai. E de ne sa bofoma pija akosoro. E ka bibi cha awaku. Mimi did him come over with somebody who was closer to the scenario. Awaku kobusa coach ni say baby a game na duru no yenya ne dan. Ambiguous.
Meba. Meda. Awaku kobusa coach ni say baby a game.
Baby a game na duru no
yenya ne dan.
Yenya ne dan.
That time na sense.
That time na corner kick naba.
Okay.
For Kim Faisal Sompa the last corner kick ama at the goal naba. And I make us say a ambiguous statement. Ambiguous and they say yenya ne dan chese coach tactics no. They say baby adun yen defender. Yanko all out. And na baby ejina yenya dan. When nyina ha na wenya dan. Obeji info aye dan. Ako. Then nipa kono allege say Samobodu e den sa ball from pija ne ka say sabi odo bibi say omo masa ball ne toneta. Ombe hu de besi. Ball ne ko ya so na akrofi. And na wo ball no so na ball ne da net. And after the game, you could try more dressing room this side of Kakra. Now, Abu, in some manner, Koso Honey, hey, can so as some way you kind, people were doubting how intense it was. On say no parado, aka some say. W Tando Bufu ma kaka wa kwatri bibi so be threaten obi say. On sa fi dey pie ba. Emuna na Samobodu di I don't you see and the man Samobodu play free dressing room by ya or then the sabe ball from Pejanes. I said if House of Folk wants him to even resign, he's going to resign from the job, especially with the players. Because be muno. Me many kind say awako ye coach ni say ubehu coach ni so ye bi kire no.
That was that the game against Kim Faisal.
Against Kim Faisal. And so what Tiafane say team there it was a painful loss. Iti bibi kakra na kasakasa bia ye dey. Esim ye fanton chain. Coach now expressing emotions away. It is over. You look up to the next game. Then touchy man. Amulusu game no. Same thing happened. Coach ko kwa pai. Players ni bi so continue maybe ase. Then it continues. It's a matter of two different interests at a House of Folk. When you're a House of Folk fan, it doesn't mean somebody hits your club or something of that sort. But a matter of two different interests at House of Folk. One, obini personal interest so obenya be a free club no. Ana ono the ono ne pe and also onya free club nim. Enye de obi pe. And there is the coach and the technical team's interest. Say omuso wo CV bi e wo so omo build it. Cause Samobodu hu ni say House of Folk na last place o. Samobodu sees beyond Accra House of Folk. And also no so nya good reputation bi. Say the boss is Jones atuko efiodi no so pese e boni din bi. So obo House of Folk no timi the team ni bon ho mode ye dey. Achieve bibi. But I feel there is a purported strategy bi to break Samobodu down. I bet me a hard drink akra. Na Abu these things that are happening at House of Folk no. On say nipa no dan so no bi na eba abontia na okasa. Dr. Nyahota Maklo and now Opa will need to confirm some things. Me say time and patience will always prove what is wrong and what was right. And this is free Obano.
Merci aba ma me kona me nin komo kakra shake Tofik e wa man so the National Division 1 League no or a board member obo ma nyama ku shake ya mo akwa ba de ba Sompa 93.1
yeah
na me jiri zo mpombo call there
ya mi ado boko na imo minya sani on fi ni kakra so anke ebisi pampe
oh ya be kika bom ze dia yi dia ze meji ha kakra na maji akakra na afima kan bom na me dia tuma ma ntu ni ha
eno ano no kito bia so anti ze me hwe ni mpa
e me dezo kazo bia wa
eye pa atapoko
awa bi mu de obia
okay fine eye pa so mate
check never na na ehu say release bia ba bontia kinkema Division 1 League Zone 1. And the essentially bampi for say ye more sure more bonognia hafo. Naya chimna obia by ebon 8 teams after no top 2 nibable playoff. Mebajo chemu kakra sa netia de dina za je we aba.
Well, medawase. Nedin kan em say menu na ya aware say when it comes to Division 1 League Zone 1 now, there are some peculiar issues security concerns. The way obiako match wa ya bono obiako match wa bibi say yes yeah both players supporters and all those things. Honestly speaking, prevalent Zone 1. Even though other zones, you know, so near money bit missy 1 or 2, but Zone 1 the end of doors. And the distances between the various places now, especially from the northern part to the Bono Ahafo part, compared to Zone 2 and Zone 3, Zone 1 for no distances no what. For example, over Zone 2 your BYF Academy, ewo Bekwai. Your clubs are on Zone 2 ni be our central region. From Bekwai to central region, and what to say be free yendi aba baby to say doma abebo match announce watre abebo match. Nti the executive committee of the association no consider as an nyina no mo say if that is the case Zone 1 no Yenchem 2 na the 3 northern regions no upper east, upper west, and then northern region. Omono enya 1 zone. Na Bonafo enclave no so enya 1 zone. So that in the end ebete omo transportation cost so logistical support ombenya from the FNO it will be enough for them. And after security concerns and so ayana eba up bibribi no so they can all be handled. These are the reasons why ESCO no decided say check Zone 1 na Zone 1A and Zone 1B.
Now, Sheikh, we no a call you know tizaba an official we no more involve teams in almost what you to so more pese next season or pa idea na mo dia ba no ombe so no mo dia yejuma.
This is an executive council decision, and per the status of the FNO, the ESCO, based on rational reasons, it may take decisions among few say a teams no any zones no. They have that power to take those decisions. And usually you any decision diana obe consult clubs and sana what take that particular decision. For instance, Emmanuel League in the the FA together with clubs, ejitum say yebema yebe beefy security for matches. And beefy security, clubs will take care of the security costs when the security is supposed to be strengthened for games. Clubs ejitum they do onomonye. It took the GFA again to pay for the extra security cost to ensure say proper security is provided at match venues. And usually na decisions na also train consult clubs and sign away final verdict na babonti. Provided the ESCO feel say in their own wisdom no, they know this decision will help the what you call the zone or the league. They are able to pass a particular regulation.
Je gawe na ebi mo so kan ana hwe se de neme city ni say that zone 1 no ya na matches anu edempa na the local derbies na ya ebo no no di se ne ya chim eye dia bo Brekuma so no bota na obofo akwa Brekuma so no bo bi United venu bia no in intention enu so na eno so mahwe se mo consider say ntokwa ne ade na de sa nwotwe na akwa kugu basketball kum eso no ye de nwotwe na kugu basketball kum eno no mo hu ni say ebeboa ma sa de na twa na mahwe say sa tension no so aya na ewum ka titu se tan obofo akwa bo bi United
tension no ho but many as on me be in the last 3 years or yan fan say last season I bowl league any this season. Over all the acts of hooliganism I also, especially in zone 1, either between a northern club and a Bonafo club. Hardly do you see the same thing happening between the Bonafo clubs. They may have their own disagreements, but they see RTU United no. Who say BC Brekum Asna Bofaka, Bibisa.
As is in the own Bibiasa.
Bibisa. What happened this season? Tamale City, any Swatraman, BA United, any Brekum Asna, and BA United, ne Bofo, a boy, Bibisa. And usually, an attention here between the Bonafo clubs, the clubs coming from the northern part of Ghana, especially northern region. And yes, local derbys there, but hardly have we seen such kind of, tension, hooliganism, those kind of chaos, in matches involving the same Bonafo clubs. Or more disagreements, we know. But in the end, the northern clubs no air ba, and our Bonafo clubs no air come over. Those kind of tensions are much, much, much higher.
It is sure no more consider as the top 2 no. Zone 1A, Zone 1B. Among the Bakako play. Now, real for no so no. Obama Diano so send the BCI.
And real for no say usually every season no means a relegation. Enti mienu na omobere last 8 for no omobeko automatic relegated na mienu na omotoso no omo so abo playoff the obe winning obe come the obe lose one so be drop it.
Okay manyani ye na zone 1 kwana debi no esco no ibi say we na ba no say ye de sha cc na fa ye be consider zone 2 zone 3 ana
well, everything is possible in the world of football. As we keep growing, changes keep coming, and we adapt to those changes. Nedinkai Obekaipa Division 1 League Nankasana Yabono zonal basis no first no na zone 1A, zone 1B. Oba zone 2 zone 2A, zone 2B. And I was on 3, so 3A, 3B. And so I have a canning in album iron 1, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 each. And say pop back to the former system, which is the A and B, as in zone 1. It is possible say a bit me spread it to the other zones, no. But still, based on the reasons I am at the chair, if those reasons are also popping their heads or showing up in the other zones, then they make it very necessary. So say decisions ever I may have said bit me solve those problems. No. To be honest, zone 1 no nka menya sure say esco no be chim if everything was okay over there. But because of challenges is the more reason why the esco has decided to split it.
Sure, yabara say if you chebe or Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV abomodi ansem no de was yet no wetimi acheche mu
me so me da masepa ne mu ka kire Jeff say na kola on the training me o nti me hwede dim
Sheikh Wati yabekasa
Bedasi.
Ati ano ye Sheikh Tofik kire koya wabomodi acheche nsirimu no to Division 1 League or your board member and ne won Sompa what's the san hye no mo de ba beboa am here football ne ma ko na season 1 boy abon ko fo kruma no o mo so mo de ba sia beboa ma ne ma ko o meza na wanu gu asem so na to folk nkomo no.
Yes, the make kwa kosi nyina na ye say empanifo ofie especially with House of Folk. There are some issues I shall say a bad PR for the club. Especially Untimin classify the season of House of Folk Enyano as a failure. Dr. Nyahok Tamakula Kasim be say winning 5 trophies does not mean anything, especially on the pedigree of a coach Fendi Samobodu. Say no when Timmy for House of Folk and do the promised land. Yes, who fruit your pani piano. I think Accra House of Folk, if they also have something to do better for Kusamobodo, Musu betimi aboano kwan bebre so ama ono so etimi atena abo ama House of Folk etimi afana to mapafra. Realistically, Samobodo shouldn't be someone who is underrated or House of Folk. Any kwan someone underrated no. In the league setting, one watch games at House of Folk about most of the time. Anyhow, and it changes have a huge impact on some of the games. House of Folk Kenya some results. You definitely not blame Samobodu per some of the things that is going on in the club. He's a fine coach, fantastic coach. Tactically, he is good. I feel there is a lot more to the situation where your person your targets as or nyadi bisa. It is never so. Says an your man on kwabo dia, and in your man muji 2 years some yen were chilling a boamana edgy league in Kwane Bobodia. Then I believe say and the House of Folk there's no need in paying any other coach and bringing him. Munya san your man never munyi leave.
Mate meze amedase mesa ba ona yahwena yedi nkomo no de be kichino say division 1 nkomo na boy ba prof akwa ba biem
yenua
na say she yede yehwe she ka confirm media man she share omo ye for division 1 no see other official zone 1 ye bo zone 1A ni abo zone 1B enti omo tamale wa boga omo ne be bo omo de na omo osunyane doma hinkro di wamana for mighty royals na bafo wa soccer academy BA United Tarobo for akwa Brekuma Arsenals omonso be wo eyi ba kuma shake cheze be 3 years ni to kwa da ba ni nyina na between ebi abenya atu no anya Brekuma Arsenal enti ebenya local derbies pa to the way imagine say Tarobo for akwa any BA United one e go share the yonko fie division 1 komo me nim baby ha o de befa
well me person me Shase Namaka said the Ghana Football Association was actually unable to manage the rumor and speculation. Mpese training and say atisem obiako can say obiaka bibia eba abontin beto dwama obia tibi no. Efi na ntima manage amana nkonkan. You see RTU na Shase last season. E bro na nkasa no bro edi kan ehu no zone 1 last season no. Na RTU on suatre.
Oh okay.
No munye boni bia em say dana e free do wan kreba se be to so no ma bom kama ehwa na gbewa United sata mo yendi
yeah
omo to the man in Suatreman say omate say omo ba be bo against omo mpe kwan omo betima fa so abeduru yendi e bre omo mfata male ena e Shase ne etosu mienu e be to dwa say empanyifo bi omo efi ho no e ko to say omo ko ni teams e ko kasa omukopi mo nkranza omuko babia ne omuko di nkomo se omomomodea na se bi basa ye ni dimboni ni oye ne a ekoso ozo wan nka emfiri ho eda omu free ho no na de che na nkranza warriors bo RTU won nkranza bo RTU fo no na nya bukitwa ene se nkranza warriors ko bo against Steadfaster RTU supporters no so bufu ya omu papa ka omu de ko nyina ma players ni bi ho so e prepare no nti efe na nkasa ni dwumedi na also di e wo zone num na omoboa ema nyoma timi konkan no they couldn't do it well enough nti omo last option omo ene say yenye zone no between the three Bruno and Shake to consider Bruno enclave ahafo East Bruno and then Bruno region teams na ho nshia na Upper West Savannah Northeast Upper East almost so any northern region almost nkambum no mbo mo de ho na boa be boa teams no akwan na no akwan omu twa no
yeah
na nkambeka say why seen but why seen no ene ya free wa abatachiman
yeah
our friend of Bruno East United nti ebe boa na em say efi na hankasa no omohwe Nsuatreman ene Tamale City match number Accra Sports Stadium. Any attention na media no ne Ghana football the ma no. Omujidi say it is the way to go. For me, I feel it's the easy way out. Na ye so I'm offer easy way out no trying to solve this issue. But my dream here say na koso zone 1 no na predominantly but we can say predominantly north and our stream teams versus Bruno teams. And we had there na was nke timi bomodin kasa eyi free ni petrim. Say any de bia na sa de we etisa because a bro na ye course wo wamfia e ma ye ba ni wamfia park no na e mighty royals any bofo akwata no
yeah
it's a job for mu free Brekum no mo ti sunwan eye adwuma Brekum Arsenal ama bofakota no unqualified ye boom
e bu kra go so je sa ahwe
o ta say Unity and Nkranza Warriors e go so it was a similar case ntino yenya abotre kakra yenhwe nneoma ni yie na yentu ye hofo na ne akoi yanhwe ya near the pressure to the final game no so because the man you free baby and you won at the baha no more course between Nania FC so 30 something goals no more share until we found a plan say a bully ni we are that top no we qualify and they between Bruno teams and same teams no you boria you say come final match to the pressure to one game so the referee will be under pressure everybody will be under pressure region na munyo ba no moto mo ho ase the last season you are qualify and I feel we kiniki Bruno team never qualify
and so atreman so
na so atreman aba next season said Daniel are fine and Daniel ITU ambe any brave for quarter no Kuma Arsenal nyina be hwe some betima but so there me did say every now have seen the easy way out and on my first
anti-implementation is the teams in the old teaching man on back so why
ebe hard drink kakra
omo teaching man no ebe back so 11 wonders and why are seen
because of the numbers
yeah me ba mo also mo back so
and one
and Kranza Warriors Kranza Warriors is omo base wo omo base wo yi Kranza bi is omo base wo be chim enti omo so dey bia consider omudin no na yeso omo ne ben omo nti omo so monko ho a also the assembly but di ye hwe no so
because so be hwe 88 na Edin say esi me benya 8 wo
yeah
Edin all the time ya na Edin o Edin pa omo mo do so ne ye bono fo no oba hafo a Unity so mo nko fo bom wo ye kwakosi achi a ene ukotachi mana
I think say Unity dey ko
11 wonders abishim 11 wonders abishim nti debia se ya ne ye pim so adiwe ya yakofa be one hwe ya why asen ball tachiman so now nim what do you say
no di be sansan ba be bono East United things say this di ne be sansan be bono but chairman hwe sa implementation ma me kona me nin komo ne bra Eric Ofoyantwi alawa ya mo akwa ba de ba Sompa 93.1
yeah we just na bia bokode
bokona ze no me address so a former goalkeeper de ma Legon Cities ana ze who see a kind of Legon Cities
sanet you say the former Legon City goalkeeper
na ya hunsan komo na wa chance e didi a say nei on mpinfo e kasa so mo ntemini 2 contract no na film team na so e hon sem na kwa is ara official ma je tuma ye de ama
yeah but that was kunya jama me Sompa friendship team I think during the season na be course but we no na many of mutina say we say me to us game ti o muntemini tinanka nko to us over but omujina so promo I say mama me move on ahead of my career.
And then of course we wanna move from Mediema to Legon Cities no kra no na hon sem ne nya de keto akra but then of course we are Legon Cities they want check crowd
yeah then I make as a football in the Juma and always want to go forward and professor you see there no plans are on manager national or D2 one there the plans are the who say I was saying for different teams side by infinity contract.
So me mu ne cheze zo ko ba ye share o ba ye be ma we bosume so a e be Ramsey bono 60 say ni we no e be ayi bosume de audio ni e ma no grab is out.
Yeah, and so a fact but need to me I think sometimes it happen but once obobo so or life live be or live no so what you be my performance plan for to me the no can be na put you in consideration I take that decision
and na ya na man e koko hu mfonyin bia the Ghana Premier League team anya promotion mono kra e kan so Atreman United na oni omo training obesi aka ndi amom next season na
for now then ko mo bia nko so but I think say omo bebo we play off for Accra no na because you so we are going for. Never say me coach you. We don't put us up pictures, but for now they may know me come up here.
Jala, what wait for it to say? About to us what the Ghana Premier League in mana they are doing man on common.
Yeah, for now they will soon come up, but everything is possible. If we show I didn't come on, they are very busy and a bit better.
My dear, comfort so link to art focal.
Oh, yeah, I say this team has to be your bar about seeing performance because why not? So we are ready no bank and I think we are okay now. I'm ready to
Kodo to say we're ready for you abesan baba asan baba yejuma momo.
Oh, for sure. So the me can Nina is big team and me buy the boy me buy on a one big some somebody my best have on me carry on.
Alawa, you better say your ball put me nyumre waje so na komobi obi ani nchimu no de amaye. Ati wa confirm we a former goalkeeper de Legon Cities. Alawa me da Scrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mediama and our Ramo Legon Cities. But Oziba Kumini Wintino or no one buy ejuma no ntimi to asubim. Bro.
Yeah, I'm saying somebody go out there na ya. Obo Eric Ofurentwi dia obi abekai Legon Cities and Accra to folk first game of the season. He was the difference between Legon Cities not conceding. Medini home come out with Maxwell Kunedu so many times. And Maxwell like catch him say look, by one goalkeeper, I know name me had, but I mean, look, let's go back to 2013. As far back as then, Ego Furentwi was ahead of Michael Sai and Richard Ofori.
Yeah.
Or Teki under 20 Agana Koboya. Yelusu semi-final to France. Man.
Yeah.
So he picked up Bakotoko, Ako Mediama. Nina, when he is leaving, you see some bit of acrimony. Oh, free was yana. Kind of fast free team no.
Lansem
kitty.
Yeah.
So you know, it's difficult, but Legon Cities, as we know, sending any mom, sending Mujumano, there they would replace him, and they are going to replace him very well. They would replace him. And it's also good. A year pa be one carrier no. So no so betimi moving on. No any team for Frada, no other than ye. Also a professional. While you ready so on be ye djuma bia no so why ready say on be ye djuma. Na bibia timi akonkan. Na boa no ne carrier no. Na boa team cross. Some of these experienced players would be on the market. Two here goalkeeper. Na say oh you are in the market for a goalkeeper or a player bakwa. Wait me do any ahwe no na oni ne djuma na ma konka na heart asem na me di ebesi o kwe
you na quick mame pa na you na quick mame
asem no si dey ha me ne say ha sanka nsem ni bi wo a pie na intimi pie enye so be kan wo bedwam na nso se abo season awie na team ba kwan na dwen say petrol ni matches na ekura me pagya to team no machine de ma dwen ho menti ase ntokwa course wo heart no utie opariado ne nsema okana na che say ono akra na asem ni sie no ni obi na be friend say be hwe no mo de abom ye ka say w tando nam kwan so a okonkran okoi yenim komokra be koso but ehu behia say obi oka house obi ano e be san line e wa de we ase entem no mo tibi edi djuma edi ni ye so sa me we so a ogutim.
Yeah, and they are not correct.
And Temnara, I will say, near Koso, coach needs on one side. Now, Tamakulu on one side. Yeah, and here players in the coach on another side. Yeah, the only person who would suffer, the ordinary heart to folk for now, baby, would you decide your Maya Koso? You see, discipline and Casa heart's a problem. I mean, Casim way. Has any Kotokobo Krumano. Omunya Park and so Crano Molusu.
Are they didn't see it?
Na into almost salaries for 2-3 months. Omo bonuses na ka 6. Into ai. And a penny be first Samuel Linkum says so omo timi share kotokwa. Omo $20,000. And no na income kan ya. E ma place ni nyina ginger say hey
20 dey modu.
E modu nti e be kwa kobo na ya show omo. Na omo ba park no so no. E na omo sesa 11 cedi. E de ma glats na wako. Na akwanchwa ne say ompe ball boys. No mfa sika ne mom. Na obi kote to chere kotokofo nti omu detain ball boys ni nyina nti glass na ni brebe nam ho ye
na ball boy bia
Oh yeah, those Kofu is no more when to me anye. Okoya Okokacho Muse went to me anye. There was an eruption in the dressing room. Yes. There was.
So bye. Or they one see the name of boy na no.
Can buy that there no so one some be pia one see the kuma.
Or they one see the name of boy na obi tia akola ne say hey menye ana akola ne training sa ana scan tall grass ne wo ni. And there was a warning to all the boys. He said, "What wouldn't
I don't sabe.
I don't sabe kase scan. Waso be shi."
Bro Mate. Ma mere na mema ya hefo ne afrefo na tifo no na omonfrem raso. But bibia de dia e page mu anonan no na minim DJ Tofiakwa ebe transia na no siaba no so apejare mu nti page mu efimo shootout no so na minim ebe timi ato aso ti obetimi afre na ro adwencha aba no aka wonsem kakra na yahwe na onso no nsem eto ato ye no wetimi abomodin na wache wagen 0548 931931 0548 931931 na 0551 931931 nembwa na nema enkuyi memfa obi wa odin yede bibia aka safi
wede wa unia wadenya Robert no kasafi coaching granta I put 32 gate na no pay na tema me no kase na akwa paso
Robert Mejoso meet you
mo mama Sompa so I de papa I was bro asa as folk je wu champion fo bi se no mo ya ma je se o ma ke kan se wa as folk ni mo no but champion fo na pata as folk no ugu what ya say e die set ba for de any champion fo na kata no atuwe from next season no ke ba for de onya reshuffle our as folk tibu mu because I na je champion fo na bet me mo before them before na be no o se part of o ma be ye bon pa yo na champion fo na mo mo set tibu ye mu nya film ya kola nu wi ya de na o sa wo ye wo pe yi na o sa wo fe no tinu fo ba be je radio so ke say na wo se ha so fo tibu no wo brand na ho no wo se no what you say e je say ha so fo so ba ko de onye wo shafo so ka se ni pe ya se na mo tra wo dia ana ha so fo tibu no o mo se no
me dan se no dia ansore ba be ramu e wa me ba jo dia ni bebi aka safi
ye friend kwami phobia me ka se free asante be kwai
abe mitio
na hasini na board member na wakasano mule kaka ye friend say
Dr. Nyao Tamakro
chama no o bese enti e different chama bo diri ayno wade ne irana now smoke with chef fina obatebi oh now what any say yes omunmu wi wonu so ayi dressing room kale wanye den ho a ye ko 11 years na ha so ye yidam ye freko jibe ba obi aso ma onu ana wonya fi ma fi debi me ba be yedwuma no oh na ba na se wo yedwuma na wo so de fo kuntumi ni wo wansi from on top ya from has now wonya ne sanfo na wodi no
atemera ase no dia so de ba be rabe pa cho dia de baby aka safi
Hello.
be ba jo din
K.
be ba jo meet you
We de so nye na nye tebo nti wrestling no mo famrem WWE no mo famrem nye
mate ho asem be ba dodo why ho asem be ba dodo odin ni baby aka safi
na ko because safi sama boy
akọ meet you
Ipacho sports ne dey di wati from wontumi na odi abasompa. It is the ya abasompa dey. Sama boy ni bi obeso bi sama teso. Di pacho ya kasama teso wanso mame wai.
Mate me di sama e be ba sama boy kra na qualification na na ma be yi ya why. Okay, mate mame fo bi wa me pacho odi ani bibi aka safi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, fabulous Fabalajine, Catafri Samaya, Mama Quabanso.
Yes, so yeah, Joso, meet you.
Akra me can say, Samanya, what I work on Rekai, almost it's someone in a camo, and a players in the foul. Almost it's someone in a count, say no bubble, a cotopana has bubble, I wish I had dinner and Manama Modiba. So, it's a best and pain for no more from your football, no mass say, or must say football from under 17 to under 20. Chromo, how more Bob Rapa, under 17 and 20, Mukwanati World Cup, my. $100,000 in a bandy Ghana no. Omuna be trying to say Ghana you tax money and the tia. so mpenifo no mayenka no kranchira wo mo omu sai yesika kwa so wode munya ko wura blaster ana mu sai yesika anso kroma timwa otimi tiga na nim aye under 17 ana under 20 mu kwa na timi world cup mayo kroma
bante me rase no so fe me pa cho die ne bibia akasa fi
Mediane Duncan Max of Shootout da Jibala ba
Duncan meet you
so me da ati ka kira mo ka je hasu ko e ti me da ya kuma so na ti mo se ni godi asa come die wo trophy wate on ti za samu ebo duba coach ananka kwese anari ko be ti ya je trophy election omu yen sa na coach omu pamo no ala ti me sa ti ba po mte shi ala na men card ya bla na samu ebo di ya be trophy wanye ni ga pa sa kwa ni ala ni man second chance ya ta pamo ni asa ko ko school ama ti na sa ba fo let him near penny and not a penny down for. You would be a no Timmy there, Kumasunye. Thomas Santa more word. That is Timna and Korea. There are few simple question penny for.
Mate, Donkey no so there. Udiani baby akasefi.
Napomi dear.
Oh, me wa dena me ba chozwe.
I don't know where pa. Abu Minyani Benda go. Yeah,
meet you, minia.
Yeah, Minyani Benda go minia.
Meet you.
Edomase Sompa, Edomase fa, was media. Modia May, I mean, 7 years of your Obia. Minia, Kumasa and Doko to open you for Ambo Abaso. The body give you, Minia, I was to be brain of Kotokoyaji, the Yamiasi. Now you best say, you're penny for a that it use and no Ghana. Oh, I almost summon a penny for the Adibu. Yeah, Moon Frank, Kona Monka. Now when you are somebody, somebody now to Jamma, Obiaki. Ya kwa bunu nse wa bondero ana hagene ozo si papa be kan so mi ke support de yega obi aka de ope e be sile support de ne tim ne guta e ene bi ho mo ni anyu no ho o mo nya se e pi o manu ana mo kana bontiama enso ma so bi se bi enso fatana e ti no ya kache de tim no ni anya men kan ho wate me da so ba
Matilzu ni nya men tan odian ni baby aka safi
so
hello me so be kwaba me hwe na me fo bi wa no dia ni bibia aka safi
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I should be in the in Casafi at one family.
Pacho meet you.
Abu me pacho said has to talk in 24 so many other players. Coach no and I see by why you want to go to trophy right the winner. So many other players the my coach no like you share on the about Africa. So many other players. My coach
That's an also what drink child by Udiani Bibia Casafi.
From Solomon Saxon Casabia.
Solo meet you.
And then we had some passports. We're number one. Mother, I can have a foul match. Now, Monica, but upon a house match, no boy. I walk Marciana. The Japan team up of one of Moshe and say, when you cut the onion of them. I don't know how to follow much on the answer. But the follow should actually be on one of because we're seeing a bit. No, it was without a day of the independent or now was yesterday. I have some standing on. I don't know what happened, but I have much. The 7-1.
Mate, ye be di hun common race na me say ya ti. Ma me for the chato na ye hwene page mu. Odiani bibia aka sefi.
Yeah. If I'm Paul, Mr. President, yes.
Me pacho meet you.
Yo, you be the kind Adam was say. Na ya mama kwaba. Afezo so no. E ba boko to kwaba so pa e wo mu dimedia, mu di ma ya fiwe. Ne mu no, ma mu mani se ho. Ye pe African Cup. Ye pe African Cup pa intermediate. Masa mu no e kya wa protocol. Ye pe African Cup. Home glory no e ye pe African Cup. Bye bye.
Ate no so di adeba Babire Frezi na ye hwede PG mu Macam Nest ye na minim DJ Tofiakwa beba ba betrase na wabo mode na remo etimi edi amantino ye risia na nyambo ochna ye beba betrase wo mra no so abo wo oman ni nyina hene or transfer the political show ni beba betrase ni abomode na ye timi edit tip off number after no or we you be pijari mu no nkrobo payment no se beba betena se na ye the full time na ba na o chena sam resi ya no 3 p.m. to 4 ye be san ba betena se na shootout no eremetimi da man dini abudi abi me na meba eba betena mu edi djuma di mu chia me sheron so Zabranti FN Michael Akomia the sports Messiah Otenenka Bishop Prof Papa Puku Otenenka Jeffrey Asari the apostle omo no mo teaching na Michael Asari bodu omo kabo mu bua na djuma di no etimi read my executive producer no Abranti ye fene Nasiru na chese ono ne bo mo de keka nka ne ma de bo ma eboa ma ne ma ko yeti mama me hwe ba ku mi no bi messages no na me page me mu na ye hwe ni rama na Abranti ye fene yo Carrasco ne de good afternoon Carrasco watching live from Old Botiano say yaw Sia Accra what at all has coach Bodu down to Nyao Tamakro? Why is he doing this to the coach? And here the Babi Ramuna Bonfa, Mengels, Nidiano top notch sound, Al Hassan, Alando, Nidiano strategic timing. Maza, I do waiting now. Oh, wait, yo. From what you're urging live from Unity or KUST, which is any KST for the Biawe. Nah, why is we more? Cosmos entry. No, you do all. And I bet you say, boy, you be do Juma de Ama, why? You be do Juma team de Ama Fabulous El Nani. And the champion at Tabuku, I like you so much. Keep on with it. A good work culture life from Accra, Dansoman. And all the Babi Ramo fan, Thomas Francis, Morfire, Abdul Aziz, Abdul Nasser. I'll see, hey, to me, hey, Sompa on my TV. Sompa Am time we need on bra Facebook. Yes, that time we need always watch on a shut on your nana with Piney. I want to shut on your man. Yana where we are. And Filippo, Nidiano Filippo at my team Taro Malaysia. All the best at Manchester United. Greetings to opinion Mark of Konongo. Na we know MSA Nyampenase. Filippo Nidio de Beno. Chum Samuel, good job. And I feel Joati Usu Tano. Usu Robert Count, Emmanuel. Why? Kwachi? Why? Aki dem mame fancy na yen kona na minim DJ Sofia kwa emra na mame to aso ti yakra mo china yebehia na de akibia ato aso de ama
nanka obinim se baby